Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Today we are going to be working on the first command for our economy cog. This command is called balance, and it will check the user's balance using the economy data JSON file, which we worked on the last episode. Let's get started. So, under the third function, get user data, we're going to start off like any normal command and type at commands dot hybrid underscore command right here, brackets, name equals, this will pass in balance here, comma, and we'll pass in description equals, then we'll pass in check your balance. Oops. Now we're going to asynchronize async def balance, pass a bracket self and pass in ctx and add a colon, enter, and then we're going to make a variable called user data. Then we're going to hit equal. Then we're going to use self dot get user data, so our function from earlier, and we're going to use the ctx dot author dot id. So we're going to get the user data from whoever used the data, the command. So we're going to check the ID by using the from here. And then we're going to make an embed, or we could just say, for now we'll make this simple. I'm just going to do await ctx dot send, pass in embed await ctx dot send, and then we're going to have the what's f string, and then we pass in curly brackets ctx dot author dot display underscore names balance, and that's the so that's the text, and then we're gonna add a colon, and then we're going to add another curly brackets. We're going to pass in user data, square bracket, single tick, and then balance, and then we can maybe have like our currency or credits, currency or coin name. So I'm just gonna say credits, and then that's it. And then if you want to be fancy, you can make an embed. I'll quickly make the embed, and then I'll show you what it looks like. So right here, we're gonna make embed. If you remember the procedure, embed equals discord dot embed brackets. Then we're going to enter. Oh wait, sorry. The E has to be capitalized. And then we're gonna pass in title, f string, fish mark, curly bracket ctx dot author dot display underscore name, and then balance. We have to add a comma and then pass the next value. So description equals f string quotation mark, and then you can make this fancy. I'll just keep it simple, and I'll just say curly brackets user data on square bracket like before, balance, and then credits or coins, whatever your currency is. And then if you want, you can make a color for your embed, and I'll just make it gold because it kind of is like gold coins, or just like the color. Or we can make it green. So discord.color I do something wrong? Discord.color.gold. Okay. I don't think this is right. I must have done something wrong. If you don't pass in a value, it stays the default. So that's it for the balance command. We can't test right now since we don't have any values yet. Next episode, we're going to be making a daily command, which will get the day at 100 credits each time you use the command. You can only use it once every 24 hours or however long you like it to be. So, okay, so now that we've made the embed, we just have to close it off. So we're going to do await ctx.send parentheses await ctx.send, sorry. Then embed equals embed, and then we can save that. So we can't really test this right now since we don't have any values. Next episode, we're going to be working on a daily command, which will give us 100 credits or however amount of credits you want every 24 hours or however long you want it to be. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and see you next time.